Look, everybody, buena suerte. Got a serial number to do for the second 10 boxes of that EEE first case. Here's the box numbers that were left over: 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 11, 12, 16, 18, 19. Whose luck? Buena suerte. Oh, we gotta roll the dice, huh? What times we gonna run it? Again, remind me to purchase dice tomorrow. Don't let me forget not to purchase dice tomorrow. There we go. 9 times. Yeah, 10 dice. I did the 20s and the regular 6s. Is what I need. Shaitan, G, Kendrick, Unique, and Mamba out. 2 of each. 2 of each would be fine. 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Shaitan on the top, Unique at the bottom. There you go. I mean, we could do it off the screen too, but I don't know. I like hearing the dice in the cup and showing it to you guys. You know, the anticipation of what it's gonna roll. All right, 9 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 7 on top, 8 at the bottom. I do. I'm a exhibitionist. Alright, we got Chi-Town 1 and 2, G3, Chi-Town 4, Unique 5, Kendrick 6, Chi-Town 7, Unique 8, again, Marky 9, and Kendrick 10. Good luck. Let's start this party. Petty sleeves, yeah. Don't forget to purchase dice tomorrow, I know. The dice rolls. It's the best thing in the break. Thanks, Mark. That's gotta be the weirdest thing I've heard. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. Box 2. No choosing of boxes because 100% rigged. I should have closed. I think I used the same browser. I'm not 100% sure. Should have closed it and opened it back up. Alright, we're going to go Tyler Callahan for the Reds out of 999. And John Peguero, 215 of 250 for the DPL. Avery Short for the Diamondbacks. Diamondbacks is Kendrick with the Diamondbacks. And 15 and under. Spot 6 of 99. Kai Caranto. Rangers, Luis Angel Acuna. 30 of 250 for the Rangers. Where are the Rangers? Oh no, Paul did it again. Alright, hopefully we get more patches in the second half than we did in the first half. Justin Dean for the Braves. 770 of 999. Ivan Sosa, 117 of 999. And Wander. I thought it was going to be patches. 60 of 99. Wander Franco for the Tampa Bay Rays. Is it really? I've always wondered that if it was. Seattle Mariners. We got Isaiah Campbell. Mariners is serial number. Serial number is spot number 67676. For the Giants, Hunter Bishop, 57 of 75. Oops, what's that? Life is rigged. 10 of 75. Nope. Bobby Witt Jr. for the Royals out of 999. We got Heston Jerstad for the USA. believe K is spot 1. So that it was spot 1. Jason Coca for the Brewers. Spot number 6. And for the White Sox, 10 of 75, Matthew Thompson. Lightning crashes. They have another one called Sister or something like that. 8 of 125, Osleivis Basabe. There's Andrew Vaughn right there. Tucker Davidson for the Braves, 48 of 999. Brandon Williamson, 43 of 49 for the Seattle Mariners. Diamondbacks, Wildert Patino. Wanting a Matthew Thompson autograph for 8 cases. 72 of 149 for the Marlins. Nick Neidert. The wait is over. It sure is. Andrew Vaughn, 100 of 150 for the White Sox. Desan Brown for the Blue Jays, 278 of 999 for the Dodgers. We got Ryan Pepiot. Will Wilson still goes to the Angels in this break. 164 of 199. Spot number. Oh no, that's Pot Roast with the Angels. And Dominic Fletcher for the Diamondbacks. Told you, Diamondbacks never fail not to hit. Tristan English for the Diamondbacks, 100 of 250. There you go, box 11. Where there's a Will Wilson, there's a way. Another USA autograph. Antoine Kelly for the Brewers, 700 of 999. Joan Duran, 39 of 49 for the Twins. Trey Harris for the Braves. Braves is Z-Man, 57. $15 and under, Matthew Mathis, 2 of 5. Don't you have another one numbered to 5 out of his? That is Chi-Town 101. And Andrew Dalquist, 25 of 125 for the White Sox. Oh, thicky. Jose Salas for the Marlins, 76 of 999. Xavier Guillen, 763 of 999 DPL. And Adael Amador. Ah, what a tease. 61 of 99. Solo hay 5 de esos en todo el mundo. Adael Amador has not been drafted. Oh, that was such a tease. Diamondbacks, Tristan English. Base auto. Nationals, Matt Cronin, 65 of 150. Oh, you didn't. No, I thought we had pulled another one. CJ Abrams for the Braves, 672 and 999. Nick Lodolo for the Reds. That's taken. Andrew Dalquist for the White Sox. And Ryan Garcia, 88 of 100 for the Rangers. Rangers is Paul Nunez, 20. Jose Devers, 182 of 250 for the Marlins. Yeah, we hit one of the. Was it the first case we hit a 101 for that DPL? Brendan Spillane for the Reds, 999. Andrew Abbott goes spot number 1. And Thad Ward for the Boston Red Sox. That is Renegade for the Red Sox. Zach Watson for the Orioles. That is Daniel and the Orioles. Joey Cantillo, 79 of 99 for the Padres. Nick Lodolo for the Reds, 109.99. Sebastian Castro, 12 of 25. Bryson Brigman, 180 of 199. That is Marlins. Marlins is Chi-Town 101. I can't remember if this is Yankees or Mets. Matthew Allen. It's Yankees, right? On Matthew Allen. That is no, that is Mets. Mets on Matthew Allen. Not numbered, by the way. And Jacob Sanford. This is Yankees. 186 of 250. Yankees. Ah, man, I don't have this sheet open. No, I don't have it open. Jets. No, don't see Matthew Allen very often. I see a lot of his base. So, if it's Yankees, it's Yankees. When I'm sorting, I see a lot of his base. Got a fatty. Goes Levis Basabe for the Rangers out of 999. Jay Vargas, 1 of 250. And Josh Jung for the Rangers. 45 of 49. Jets. 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 John Peguero for the DPL. And that is spot 1. Michael Grove for the Dodgers, 1, 2, 3 of 125. Greg Jones for the Tampa Bay Rays, 980 of 999. Wesley Zapata, 169 of 999. Anthony Volpe for the Yankees. That is Chris and the Yankees. Astros, 2 of 10. Abraham Toro. That is Alejandro. Very nice, Alejandro. 2 of 10. And Alek Manoah for the Blue Jays, 138 of 150. Alec Marsh for the Royals on a 999. Logan O'Hope for the Phillies. And Blake Walston for the Diamondbacks, 41 of 75. I'm trying to read too much there. Miguel Hiraldo for the Blue Jays. The nation of the Blue Jays. And Bush, 250 of 250. Michael Bush for the Doyers. Out of 75 and a fatty. CJ Alexander for the Braves, 879 of 999. Juan Martinez, little flippity-uppy there, 10 of 25 for the DPL. There's Kenrick. Gabriel Arias, 17 of 25 for the Padres. That is Chi-Town 101. 3-color Putsch. Oneldis Mordan, 41 of 75. Also Chi-Town 101. And Brandon Lewis for the Dodgers, 62 of 99. Next. George Kirby for the Mariners on a 999. Reed Dittmers. That goes to spot 4. Trent Grisham for the Brew Crew. 26 of 149. Spot 6. That is Kelly. Spot 6. Yeah, Brewers, right? Oh, Brewers, Padres, doesn't matter. Cardinals, John Torres. That is Aaron C. And Osvaldo Cabrera, 161 of 250 for the Yankees. Give me the loot. Optichromado? No. 912 of 999. Keoni Cavaco for the Twins. Wesley Zapata, 47 of 75. We do have one. It is Alika Williams. I believe W is spot 3. Spot 3 is G. Spot 3. No card numbering, not numbered. And Junior Tillian. I forget what team he's owned. I forgot. I should have made that spreadsheet a little while ago. Spot number 2, if he is on one of the teams in serial number. If not, he would go to the right team. Brian Ruscio, 127 of 150 for the Windianos. Leovet Peguero, 452.999 for the Diamondbacks. Yankee Gene, 911 of 999. Andrew Vaughn for the White Sox, 238 of 499. I know, I should have done that while we were trying to fill this one. And I know this one's Dodgers. Very easy. Cristian Cardoso for the Dodgers. Don't have to guess that one. Graham Stinson for the Rays, 62 of 250. Oh, we got card out of 25. Logan Driscoll, 76 of 99 for the Padres. Spot 6. And for the Twins, 6 of 25. Will Holland. Twins is Kenrick. Out of Auburn. Fifth round. 150 points. That'll be random off at the end of the break. We got Jeff Criswell. That'll go to spot 3, Prism. And Logan O'Hope for the Phillies. 383 of 999. We got a green. Green. Miguel Lado for the Blue Jays, 147 of 999. Livan Soto for the Angels, 25 of 25. That's a nice one. And Gilberto Jimenez, 8 of 25 for the Red Sox. This is a Renegade pack. Right after that is Gavin Lux, 47 of 99. How many does that bring you to? 10? You've got to have at least 10 Gavin Lux out of this stuff. Matt Cronin for the Nationals, 50 of 100. Fatty time. Corbin Carroll for the Diamondbacks, 369 of 999. Logan Davidson for the Athletics. Ryan McKenna for the Orioles. Oh, nice. 5 of 25. We got 3 color, 3 color, 3 colors. 8 of them. Orioles. That is Daniel. Daniel with the Orioles. And Byron Lora. I believe this is Rangers, if I'm not mistaken. On Byron Lora. Kenan Smith for the Yankees, 119 of 125. 7. Did you see that last patch autograph? That was dope. Not one number less than 99. The time somebody sneaks in and takes a dive from you is the time we're going to hit. Not wishing it upon you. Not wishing it upon you. You're going to go in there and try to get a dive, somebody's going to sneak in and take him. And that's the time we hit like 1 out of 25 or something. Israel Pineda, 177.999. Rodolfo Carvalho, 51 of 150. Miguel Tamares, 13 of 100. Look where he signed on the sticker. Look at all the sticker he had to sign. IG. Not G. Spot 3 is G. Yusniel Diaz, 190 of 363 for the Orioles. That's the last thing I want to do. Sandy Gaston, 54 of 75 for the Tampa Bay Rays. Carl Kaufman for the Rockies, 999. Joel Peguero, 652 of 999. Bobby Witt Jr., 9 of 25. Finally. And for the Braves, 42 of 75, CJ Alexander. John Doxakis, 41 of 99. Doxakis? Yeah, about time, man. About time we hit a win. Kyron Paris for the Angels, 506 of 999. Dre Jameson for the Diamondbacks. And another Casey Opitz, 29 of 49 for Team USA. That is Markey. That is Bogey Markey. Red Sox, Ryan Seferian. For the Red Sox. And we've got Cincinnati Reds, Reese Hines, 206 of 250. Reese Hines again, 519 of 99. Michael Toglia for the Rockies, nice, 8 of 25. DPL, Braylon Tavera. That's spot number 2 on Braylon. 212. 212. Andres Jimenez, 34 of 399 for the Mets. That is Chi-Town 101. And for the Rangers, Sherton Apostle, 47 of 100. Kyle McCann for the Athletics, 850 of 99. Hunter Bishop for the Giants. And Luis Toribio for the Giants, 6 of 100. This is Daniel. And Alvaro Seijas for the Cardinals. Cardinals is A.A. Roan. Matthew Lugo for the Red Sox, 51 of 125. That is 50 hits so far. And what are you going to do with that card that's not autographed? You need a wrapper, huh? Wrapper in the UPC. Oh, damn. I need a Heritage wrapper. Damn it, Unique. I have to ship you a Heritage wrapper. I'll dig in this trash for one. Oh, there's somewhere. There might be one here somewhere. Probably throw it out tomorrow. Alright, Cameron Misner for the Marlins out of 999. Alnody Escanio, 16 of 49. Spot number 6. Alejandro Kirk, 6 of 10 for the Blue Jays. Nice. Alright, sounds good. Yeah, tell him, hey, chasing Andrew Vaughn and let him get this one. Fell asleep? Yeah, fell asleep. That's what happens when you sleep, man. For the Angels, we got Jack. Wish Jerry would teach me how to pronounce that guy's last name so I don't butcher it. 52 of 125, J.J. Bleday for the Marlins. Yeah, it is pretty cool. So, I guess since it's not numbered, it's a base. Aaron Ashby for the Brewers, 423 of 999. Fidel Montero, 43 of 999. Adley Rushman, 192 of 399 for the Orioles. Well, yeah. Well, in this stuff, yes. And Tommy Henry for the Diamondbacks. Nice. Adley Rushman, 106 of 150. Shouldn't sleep. Vince shouldn't sleep. Trajan Fletcher for the Cardinals out of 999. Alek Manoah for the Blue Jays. Got a niche. Matthew Lugo. Oh, we got a 101 coming up. Oh, nice. Who got him? Ah, you did. Of course you did. Matthew Lugo for the Red Sox. That is Renegade. And 1/1 print plate autograph. J.J. Goss for the Tampa Bay Rays. I think this is a cool looking print plate, if you don't mind me telling you. Because the fact that it's colored like that in the back and then you have the print on the front, I think it's very cool. Braden Shoemaker for the Braves, 195 of 250. Ooh, we got something coming up. Shirt and Apostle for the Rangers out of 999. Salvador Ramirez, 88 of 150. You mind telling me? 88 of 150. We got Leo Crawford for the Dodgers. And Michael King for the Yankees, 18 of 195. We have not seen a Hasson base at all. Matthew Lugo, 20 of 99 for the Red Sox. Nope, that's Bo Phillip. Blake Walton for the Diamondbacks, 27.999. Logan Davison for the Athletics, and Nick Quintana for the Tigers. 3 of 25. I was hoping it'd be a patch for you. Jimmy Lewis and the News. 4 of 10 for the Dodgers. Nice. And Bo Phillip, 79 of 100 for the Braves. Box number 6. Fatty. There we go. Corey Lee for the Astros out of 999. We got Dre Jameson for the Diamondbacks and Gabriel Arias for the Padres. Ooh, nice. 2 of 25. Oh, that's like the throwback jersey. It's brown and yellow. Padres serial number, spot number 2. That is Adam, Chi-Town 101. Christopher Espinola for the DPL. That is spot number 6. Kendrick. Dad Ward for the Red Sox, 22 of 250. Jaren Duran for the Red Sox out of 999. Wesley Zapata, 93 of 999. George Kirby for the Mariners, 21 of 75. Spot number 1. Vamonos! And Shirt and Apostle for the Rangers, 58 of 75. Paul Nunez. Brett Beatty for the Mets, 50 of 75. Abraham Toro for the Astros out of 999. Juan Martinez, 8 of 100. Brandon Williamson for the Mariners. Mariners is serial number, sorry. Spot number 9. Mamba out. And Brandon Lewis for the Dodgers. Brett Beatty is 33 of 99. That would make it a 1 of 3. Nick Quintana for the Tigers out of 999. Brian Rascio for the Windianos. And Bobby Dalbec for the Red Sox. 8 of 49. Oh, I thought there was something wrong right there, but it's not. It is fine. And Joel Peguero. That is 0, spot 0, Kendrick. Joel Peguero. Gunnar Henderson, 142 of 250 for the Orioles. Israel Pineda for the Nationals, 999. 815 of 999. We got Colton Cowser, spot number 3, and Hudson Potts, spot number 8. 88 of 199 for the Padres. That is unique. Logan O'Hoppe, Optichrome for the Phillies. That's the first Optichrome Logan O'Hoppe I've ever hit, Nick. And Quinn Priester, 76 of 100 for the Pirates. 18. Oh, another fatty. Kenny Cavaco for the 2020 Twins out of 999. Ivan Sosa. 1 of 125. And Sixto Sanchez. Nice, another patch. 1 of 25 for the Marlins. Marlinos out of Chi-Town, 101. And that's a slight 3 color. I guess you could call it a 3 color, right? Because it's got the shiny stuff on it. So it goes from white to that silver shiny stuff and then black. Yeah. Jefferson de la Cruz. Why does that say Potter on there? Do all his autographs say that? They do. I've never noticed it. I have to look into that. Spot 5 on Jefferson de la Cruz. Randy Florentino, 19 of 75 for the Rangers. Yeah, I thought I've seen that autograph somewhere else. Brandon Williamson for the Mariners out of 999. Christian Batista, 62 of 999. Cody Hose for the Dodgers, 7 of 10. Nice. He's a Harry Potter fan. And that, let me put that aside because now the curiosity's got the best of me. And John Torres, 40 of 75 for the Cardinals. That's A. Rome C. Sammy Ciani, 76 of 150. John Duran for the Twins out of 999. Nick Lodolo for the Reds. And Sandy Gaston, the Tampa Bay Rays. Along with Abraham Toro, 65 of 75 for the Astros. And Alejandro. Anthony Volpe, 176 of 250 for the Yankees. Gosh, all these fatties, man. Brady McConnell for the Royals, 999. Israel Pineda, 48 of 49. And Keibert Ruiz, nice, 23 of 25 for the Dodgers. What the hell was that? I think that scared me. See, this side had more patches than the other side, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 patches on this side. None autographed, but at least 5. And we had John Peguero. And John Peguero is spot number 1. John Harris for the Athletics, 17 of 99. David Parkinson for the Phillies out of 999. Riley Green for the Tigers. And Domingo Acevedo Domingo Papai Acevedo, 153 of 199 for the Yankees. That is Chris. And for the Brewers, we got Carlos, 31 of 49, Rodriguez. C-Rod. Scared me, man. I didn't know where it was coming from. I thought everything was quiet over here. Like no TV on, no music on, no nothing. It's all quiet. Look at that, boom. Hogan Harris back to back for the Athletics. Just really quiet. I can hear the cars outside. I can hear people like across the street talking. I hear people ordering their weed at the weed shop. Tyler Dyson for the Nationals. That is 6470999. Sebastian Castro, 146 of 250. Maximo Maria for the DPL. Spot number 5, 205. And Sean Murphy for the Athletics, 159 of 199. Atléticos Kendrick. This is really quiet for 10 o'clock at night. Outside, it's really quiet. Logan Davison, 142 of 150 for the Athletics. And here we go. Josh Jung for the Rangers. There's Jung. 999. Yasser Mercedes, 175 of 999. Oh, well, that's a nice one too. We don't hit him often. Hunter Bishop for the Giants. I think they said mid-May. I know they were shooting for the 1st of May, but I don't think that's happening anymore. So I think they said mid-May for us. Is it 6-1? I thought LA County might open, or I don't know if they implemented something statewide, Chris, but I think Los Angeles, they said May 15th. I'm not 100% sure, but I thought it was May 15th. I thought it was May 15th, Matt. LA County. The 15th, right? Yeah, see, Marky said the same thing. The 15th. Yeah. Osvaldo Cabrera for the Yankees. That's Chris. And Kyle McCann for the Athletics, 102 of 250. Yeah, that's news, but I think he might be leaving it to the mayors also. May. I thought Long Beach was part of LA County. Yeah, May 15th. Oh, they extended through May? I don't know. I know they heard this said something on May 15th, but Hasil de la Cruz for the Braves out of 999. We got Jeff Criswell, and USA is Luke Waddell. And this is spot number 3 on Criswell. Yeah, of course, man. That's all we can cross our fingers at home. 26 of 49. Spot number 6 is Kendrick. That's definitely all we can hope that it's soon and everybody gets out of their house. Ivan Herrera. Somebody gets out of their house and goes and breathes. I was at the that's Cardinals. I was at the I don't know if you were here when I was showing where I was at earlier. Oh, same here in California, Adam. 71 of 99, Kanan Smith for the Yankees. Same here in California. The people are suing the governor for not opening the businesses earlier enough or whatever, for closing the businesses. So, but where I was at earlier, I was closer. I was a block away from the beach, right? Literally a block away from the beach, and there's this. You can walk. You have the beach, and then you have bike path, and then they have a little strand you can walk. And then before they actually closed off that area where that strand is, you can't go down there. You can't be on there. You can't go to the beach. They're ticketing people. If you go to the beach, they're ticketing you. And there's like an alleyway right before that strand. There's a parking structure, and then there's an alleyway where there's people walking up and down like nothing, just walking up and down. I would say at least 80% of them didn't wear masks, weren't wearing masks. At least 80% of them. If I saw 100 people, maybe 80 of them were not wearing masks and just walking up and down the street, bikes up and down that street, running, people on skateboards and stuff like that. And I was like, I guess, I mean, I understand, but I'm not going to be walking around. You know, I'd go somewhere else where people are not walking around. I stopped by a park, and there was a handful of people at the park, which they just opened up on Saturday. So on Saturday, they just opened up the parks on that side of town. I don't know if the swing sets are closed or where the kids area is closed, but they had which are like little barriers where you couldn't, you can walk on the grass and go in the park, but they little barriers in the walkways where if you wanted to ride your bike or skateboard around, they have the little, you got to walk on the grass and get on. They opened up the parks on Saturday. They've got signs everywhere, you know, stay away your 6 feet, don't, you know, get together, whatever. But humans are not made to be indoors 24/7, you know. So, but they're opening it up little by little. Little by little, they're opening it up. Will Holland for the Twins at a 9.99, and Miguel Vargas for the Dodgers. Rodolfo Caraballo for the DPL. Yeah, that too. Spot number 8. Yeah, that too, definitely. But I can't breathe in that thing, dude. I take it off. We got 101 of 499. Seth Beer for the Diamondbacks, right? Seth Beer's on the Diamondbacks now. I can't breathe in that thing, dude. I can't breathe in those masks. It's killer. Blake Walston, 11 of 100 for the Diamondbacks. I'm telling you put a blanket on me or you put my pillow over my head, I can't breathe. Steve Nunez, 338 of 999 for the Marlins. Randy the Jesus, 7 of 125. And Cameron Misner for the Marlins, 45 of 75. But we'll see, man. We'll see what happens. I don't know. I don't know enough. Brendan Spillane for the Reds. To say enough, but Joey Cantillo, 120 of 125 for the Padres. Yeah, hopefully soon, man. Soon. Everybody's out and about again. You know, places start to open. I know some people are hurting. I can't. Plus, I wear glasses. So it's like I gotta put my glasses over the thing and then squeeze it tight right here, and then it's all over my. Look, this doesn't let me breathe. This. Put the mask on, the hair's all over the place. It's in my mouth. It's up my nose. Not shaving my beard to wear a mask. You know, us hipsters gotta maintain an image. Hipster. Tyler Baum, 861 of 999. We got Nick Lodolo for the Reds and Jeff Criswell. Spot number 3. Oh, this is a cool little pack. Jeff Criswell, spot number 3 for Team USA. And Braylon Marquez for the Cubs. Cubs is serial number. Wow. Nope. Spot number 6. That is Kenrick. I could breathe it just was breathing. Yeah, that too. Now CJ Alexander, 27 of 75 for the Braves. It's like as soon as I walk out, I'm like, just take it off. I'm taking. He's like, oh, what if they just sneezed as you're walking out? I was like, there was nobody in front of us. I just need to breathe. 404 of 999. David Parkinson, Elizual Chalas, 754 of 999. Royce Lewis for the 2020 Twins, 156 of 199. And Alec Marsh for the Royals. Alec Marsh is a redemption in a lot of stuff. Nathan Patterson for the Athletics. 66 of 99. I don't know. I just want to go out and do Pokemon stuff, you know? Brady McConnell for the Royals. 621 of 999. Johnny Severino. 69 of 999. Oops. Oh, look at that. 250 points. Stuck right behind it. And for the Rockies, we got 14 of 75, Aaron Schunk. Isn't his prospect autographs in like 2010 or something like that? That is Rhino and the Rockies. There we got Gabriel Maciel. 175 of 250 for the 2020 Twins. 2017 number 1. Ooh, we got on Carter. Looks like it might be an SP. Brandon Williamson, 22 of 999 for the Mariners. We got Bryson Stott for the Phillies. Luis Garcia for the Phillies. 78 of 199. And Antoine Kelly for the Brewers. Let me show print. Brewers is serial number. That'll go to spot number 5. Unique. John Doxakis. 32. 82 of 125. Damn, I feel old, man. I feel old when I gotta look over my glasses to read stuff. John Duran, 852 of 999. Doug Nikhazy, that'll go to spot number 2. No, 4, sorry. 4. Yeah, 4. Jose Salas, 38 of 75 for the Marlins. I went to go see the optometrist right before this whole thing was happening. Went to go see the optometrist. 142 of 149. Evan White for the Mariners. Spot number 2. I went to the optometrist. And 79 of 100. Adlai Rushman. Nice. Went to the optometrist. That was a break. Thank you again, everybody. I want to check this autograph out. Jefferson de la Cruz Potter. Stuff to do. 2 autographed, no patches. Patches are hard to get, man.